Okay, here we go mga bossy. So I can say this is like the part 2 of our $5 toy haul from Dollarama. So finally I got a chance to, maybe I can say, like the other part of the province of British Columbia. And luckily we complete the Megazord series of Hasbro, which I really cannot find here in the lower mainland. So okay, so I just wanna show it to you guys, all the Megazord that I got.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Okay, let's put it on this side. Okay, so finally I found the Ninja Storm, NinjaCon Power Rangers. Look at that. In the marketplace, they already selling it for $15. So that's an easy money for them. It's only $5. So another Thunder Megazord. Also, finally, I got this one. I think all, like, they're like 2 waves, I guess. Maybe they release it. So like the first wave, or maybe that's the second wave, or whatever wave are they. So this is like the second part of that series, or the other part of that series. And there you go. So I completed it. Found this in one of the store in Kelowna. There you go. This is the Galaxy Megazord. It's pretty cool. And where's the other one? Okay, so another Galaxy Megazord. So I bought 2. One is for to unbox, and one is to keep inside the box. So another NinjaCon here. So okay, I'll put it all the one. Okay, yeah, so there's another Thunder Megazord here. I think I overbought this one. I'm not too sure which I already have, but I believe this is the one. But I still take 2 of them. Hopefully that's not the one. And the one that oh man, I think I messed up. It's the Dino Megazord. Supposed to get 2 of these, but I get the wrong. Oh no, I got these 2, but it's supposed to be the 2 because they only have like 2 of this. Yeah, anyway, yeah, there you go. But I still happy to complete the 8 releases of this one. I don't know, I believe they only have 8. I'm not sure if they release other version of this. So there you go, guys, the other 3. And those are, I believe, I already have. And what's other cool stuff I bought on that Dollarama, which they don't have it here in lower mainland, I believe. I think because I really hunting it for a couple of weeks now, but I don't find any. But there you go, guys. This one is a cool Bumblebee Transformers movie, the Shockwave and Ravage. And look at that. That means they can transform, right? Look. Yeah, so it's really nice. I don't know what that means. 13th step, 11 steps. So maybe the numbering. So, and the material is kind of rubbery plastic. It's really soft. And they're really cool. Another cool Dollarama $5 toy haul. And other stuff. Okay. Of course, I still get one of the HotWheels. They have this one, the Rescue, but that's really cool. I think I need to get those, how do you call it? Like the ambulance. And there you go, guys. Another cool. And this one, I believe, just new from Dollarama, the Star Wars 3.825 inches toy. This is the Kenner version. So they only have 4 right now. I'm not sure if they're going to release more. And I'm wondering why they have this like a scotch tape here. So we got the Obi-Wan Kenobi and Ashoka. That one you not let it go. So they have 4 releases on this wave. So maybe you can look for what else? Yoda, Connection, Death Watch, and the Clone Trooper. This is Anakin Skywalker. And Mace Windu. Nice, pretty cool. So, gonna keep hunting toys at Dollarama, I can say, because everything is getting better and cooler. Nice collections. Nice selections. And that's it once again, mga bossing. So once I get another cool toy haul from Dollarama, I will gonna update you. So, and you can start hunting. There you go, guys. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out. Boom.